Hey y'all, back with another unboxing. I just wanted to come do this right quick because I just got in the mail a new Telfar, however it's pronounced. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. And I'm gonna try to make a TikTok. Let's see. I found some. All right, y'all, let's see. Make sure I block out my address and all this because people crazy, and the tracking number, everything. You never know.
What you just...
I got this small stage. Oh, bloop. I got the small sage. I got small sage. Cut that thing. It's first impression. Oh, this thing. It's like so small. Wallets are small. Let's give him wallet on a, what is it, strap.
Got in the mail a Telfar. A Telfar.
Alright, I want. Ooh, okay. I could work with this color. I'm probably gonna wear mostly browns with this color. Y'all see her? This thing is small. This is definitely for girls' night out with the boo. He gonna pay for everything. I don't gotta bring nothing but my lip gloss. Okay, y'all. Let's see. Finish the TikTok.
Bitch, a Telfar. A Telfar. Easy, but breathe. Doesn't these dirty bum bitches real breathe?
Hold on, y'all. My mom calling. Oh, I need to find out how to get this dent out. It's the inside. The tag. I'll be back for a what's in my bag. Alright, y'all, we back, y'all, with a what's in my bag. Just off. And my keys. Phone. iPhone XS Max. I will be getting a 13 Max Pro soon. A wallet. And then a lip gloss. AirPods with case. And a hand sanitizer. And that's it. I usually have a pen, but I will not be putting a pen in this. Thanks for watching.